Hi guys, do you want to make content faster and easier? I'll show you 4 free AI tools. Let's go.
If you're still paying expensive subscription fees just to use AI tools, you need to watch this video right now. Today, I'm going to introduce 4 AI tools that are either completely free or come with incredibly powerful free versions. This is the secret that many professionals use to avoid wasting thousands of dollars, and they even make money using these tools. And I'm not just going to show you the tools. I'll give you real, practical examples that you can start using today. A lot of people don't know this, but Google actually has a free text-to-speech AI called Gemini TTS. The newest version has just been released, and it sounds more natural and professional than ever. It offers a variety of tones and emotions, making the output sound very realistic and perfect for content creation. You don't need to do anything complicated to use it. Simply search Google AI Studio on Google and click on the first trusted link. Once you're in, the main page has several sections. But today, we're going to focus on the speech section. Click on Generate Native Speech with Gemini, and a very simple interface will open with 2 main options. Multi-speaker audio, which is perfect for conversations and podcasts where 2 people can speak and the output sounds like a real podcast, and single character audio, which is ideal for storytelling, YouTube content, or anywhere you need a consistent voice. This AI provides a wide range of voices and tones that you can test and select based on your needs. Now, I want to test the text in 3 different styles: angry, happy, and sad. First, I'll set the text to an angry tone and click Run. Wait a few seconds.
I can't believe after everything we've been through, all the promises and all the hard work, this is the way things are going to end.
And wow, it's incredible. Exactly the intense, sharp voice I expected. Next, I'll test the same text with a happy, energetic tone. Again, click Run, wait a few seconds.
I can't believe after everything we've been through, all the promises and all the hard work, this is the way things are going to end?
Perfect. The voice now sounds light, cheerful, and full of energy. Finally, I'll test a sad tone. Click Run and wait a few seconds.
I can't believe after everything we've been through, all the promises and all the hard work, this is the way things are going to end.
Amazing. It really conveys a feeling of sadness. What's even more impressive is that many paid AI tools still can't produce such professional quality results. In my opinion, Google AI Studio is one of the best choices for content creation, and you can easily use it in your projects starting today. Now let's move on to the second tool, a professional-grade AI, and I can honestly say that almost everything in it is free. Today, we're going to test this AI thoroughly, exploring every section one by one and seeing their results together. This tool is called VHEER, and it's an amazing platform with tons of features for creating images, videos, and other creative options that we'll explore step by step. To use this AI, just search for VHEER on Google and click the first trusted link. Once you're in, you'll see a page with multiple tools, such as text-to-image, AI image-to-image, and AI style transfer. Today, we'll test all these sections and see the results, and I think you're going to be amazed. Let's start with the text-to-image section. Simply click on it and then click Generate Image from Text. Now you can write your prompt and create your image. If you want to use other models, you need to buy the premium version like the Pro or Max models, but we'll stick to the free version for now. I want to give it a simple prompt and a more complex one to see the kind of images it produces. Remember, this is completely free, and you can generate as many images as you want with this AI. First, I'll start with a simple prompt, a street in France with cobblestones. I type it in and click Generate. And very quickly, the image is ready. The result is really good, exactly what I had in mind. Now let's give it a more complex prompt to test the lighting. I write a prompt, a person walking during sunset in snowy weather, conveying a calm and reflective sense of solitude. I click Generate, and within seconds, the image appears. Wow, it's amazing. It perfectly conveys that feeling of loneliness. This section is truly incredible. I loved it. It works so professionally. Next, let's move on and test the other tools. This time, we'll try AI Style Transfer. Click on it and upload your image. I'll use the model generated by the AI. To start, I'll test the watercolor style. Click Generate, and of course, you can add more details if you want before generating. The result is very good, acceptable, and visually appealing. Let's try another style, this time Lego. Within a few seconds, it's ready, and it looked fantastic. I really love it. To keep the video concise, I won't go too deep into this tool, and now we'll test the video feature. On the top menu, you'll see Image to Video. Click on it, and then click Generate Video from Image. Next, upload your chosen image. I'll use the previous one. I'll write a very simple prompt, for example, a character walking in the snow. And for camera movement, I'll select Static Camera. In this section, you don't need to change anything else because most settings are already optimized, so just click Generate. In about a minute, the video is ready. Let's see the result together. It produced a 5-second video, but it didn't fully capture the walking movement, and the snowy environment wasn't perfectly rendered. The result isn't exactly what I wanted, but it's still decent. With different styles or more detailed prompts, I'm sure you can get much better results. And considering this tool is free, it's amazing. You can generate many images and create impressive results without spending a dime.
One of the most fascinating AI tools for voice is LoveVoice AI. This platform lets you create natural and realistic voices with just a few clicks, from converting text to speech to generating diverse voices for videos or podcasts. The exciting part is that even its free version offers really powerful features and can easily replace expensive services. To get started, just go to Google and search LoveVoice AI, then click on the first trusted link. Once you're on the site, you'll see a clean and attractive interface. Simply log in with your Gmail or Google account. On your first login, you'll get over 10,000 credits to create voices. In the language section, you'll find multiple languages that you can use for your content, like Spanish, Chinese, English, and most other languages. In the voice section, you can choose your preferred voice model. First, listen to it, and then you can generate different versions using that voice. In the settings, there's a speech rate option to adjust the speed of the voice. There's also a volume level setting to control how loud or soft the voice is. The voice pitch option lets you make the voice deeper, bass, or higher pitched. Additionally, there are various models you can listen to before choosing the one you like. There's also a file-to-speech feature that allows you to upload your text file directly and convert it to voice. Let's test it again. I'll take the same text I use for Google AI Studio and select a voice. Let's say Spanish. Within a few seconds, the AI generates the voice.
Everything we went through, all the promises and all the hard work. This is the way things are going to end.
Incredible! It reads the text perfectly with a Spanish accent. As you can see, it has multiple voices you can use for your content creation. The free version also gives you plenty of credits. But if you need more, you can purchase a subscription, which is very cost-effective and helps save money. In my opinion, this AI is truly amazing.
Now, let's move on to one of the most important and perhaps most amazing AI tools that very few people have heard of or truly understand how powerful it is. This tool is called Digen AI. Interestingly, many professional content creators use it and showcase its output as their own work because the quality of the images and videos it generates blurs the line between reality and AI. Digen AI allows you to create limitless, highly creative images and even realistic videos in just seconds, things you won't easily find on most other AI platforms. To get started, simply search Digen AI on Google and click on the first trusted link. Once you're on the site, you'll see a simple yet professional interface. Log in with your Gmail, and right from the start,
you'll receive 300 free credits to create sample images and videos. If that's not enough, you can subscribe. Its pricing is very reasonable given the features. The great thing is that even without paying, you can earn additional credits, like posts on the site to get credits, leave comments to get more, and every day you log in, you'll receive 120 daily free credits. Now let's get to the main and exciting part, creating images and videos. Digen AI has two different models, Real Motion Turbo, which is free and perfect for getting started, and Real Motion 2.6, the advanced version, which requires a subscription. For now, we'll work with the free version. Enter the image section, choose your image size, for example 16 by 9 for horizontal or 9 by 16 for vertical. Then write your prompt. Simply click Generate, and within seconds, the images are ready. The quality is truly remarkable. High detail, natural colors, and very clean output. The best part? This test didn't deduct any credits from my account. To test it further, I wrote a fun prompt. A crocodile walking down the street with its spouse. This time, I set the size to 9 by 16. The result? Amazing, both funny and natural. And again, no credits were used. This means you can experiment repeatedly and generate countless variations. Now let's move on to the video section. It's very simple. Click on the image you created and select Make a Video. I wrote the prompt, 2 crocodiles walking. I set the video length to 5 seconds. If you want a longer video, you'd need a subscription. I also upgraded the quality to 2K, which only costs 10 additional credits. Less than 2 minutes later, the video was ready. The result? Completely natural, flawless, and high quality. But that's not all. Digen AI has tons of additional features. For example, there's an effects section where you can apply unique and exciting effects to your images. I tried the Dark Demon effect as a demo. I simply uploaded my image, didn't write any commands, and clicked Generate. The output was ready almost instantly. A complete transformation, turning the image into something that looked like a real-life Dracula. Truly impressive and unique. Next, I explored the motions section. Here you can apply various motions to turn images into videos. I selected the beatboxing motion and clicked Generate again. About a minute later, the video was ready. It was really interesting with only a minor imperfection due to the incomplete face in the original image, but overall, the AI's performance was outstanding. In short, Digen AI is one of those AI tools that's definitely worth trying. It produces stunning images, realistic and smooth videos, and also provides creative features like effects and motions to take your content to the next level. So that was an introduction to one of the best free AI tools you can start using today. With Digen AI, you can create amazing outputs both for fun and professional content production. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Also, drop a comment letting me know which tool you'd like me to introduce next. My upcoming videos are packed with tips and powerful tools, so make sure to watch them. See you in the next video.